Nigerian TV. Update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJN TV and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umaru Latifa. DJN TV.
I want to appreciate the party for this opportunity and honor to deliver the governor and his deputy at the election that is coming up this year. The governor and his team have done very well. Hence, I make bold to say, for this election in Edo State, the PDP has the best candidates. They've done very well and they deserve a second term. I appreciate you more now that I'm privy to more information about when you took over as governor of this state. You took over the government of Edo State at a time when this state was being given to your leadership with the highest debt since the creation of Edo State. But through prudent management and financial discipline, you have reduced the debt of Edo State. Those who supported you before, who came out to say you were the best man for the job, because you have refused to open the votes for them to share the resources of our state, today they are castigating you. But let me assure you, your people are with you. You have shown uncommon leadership qualities with so much frustration and challenges. You have been able to show Edo people that you are a focused leader. For that, Edo people will support you. No man is God. Nobody should play God in this election. I want to say here very loudly that this state is not the property of Adam Soshomole. He cannot tell us who to support and who to vote for. It is very clear that your commitment to Edo people is what has brought the conflict between you and those who supported you before. But let me assure you, you are on the right track. History will vindicate you. This election is between those who want to take us back to the days when the resources of this state were shared to people at the expense of the development of our state. You have shown very clearly that you have a very sound idea of where our state should be. You have brought about infrastructural development. Your development in the agricultural sector has been well noted. And I'm made bold to say, you have brought uncommon reform to the payment of pensions to our pensioners. Our pensioners no longer die in the streets in a bid to get their pensions. Your Excellency, I want to appreciate you. At the appropriate time, we will come out with very clear figures about what you have been able to do, which others did not do. I believe very strongly, like many others who did not support you in your first tenure, we have come to realize that you are a blessing to our state. What else can I say? You have shown compassion to the people of the state. You are not like others who told a helpless widow, go and die. You have shown love. You have shown compassion to our people. For daring to probe the activities, the award and execution of the Central Hospital, those who used to love you are falling out of favor with you. But you are on the right course. History, like I said, will vindicate you. But let me use this opportunity to tell Edo people, this next election is about our future. Our future is in the hands of our people, not in the hands of any man. We trust in God. And with God and the support of our people, Governor Godwin Obaseki will win again. Government business is a very serious business. It's not a business of a simple agenda that requires those who know what to do to bring about development to our state must be given the opportunity to handle the affairs of our state. It is on this note that I want to assure you, Your Excellency, and Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, that with the team I see here, by the grace of God, we will deliver you. Amen.
for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJN TV and do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb video. I am Umaru Latifa.
DJN TV. DJN TV.